Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Alright, so do you have a lawnmower tire that keeps popping off the bead on you when summertime and it sets, all season long and it loses air pressure? I'm going to show you a quick way to keep that from happening. First thing you need to do is get you some rubber tire cement, and before we apply that to the inside bead of the rim of the tire here, we're going to flip it over and we're going to remove the valve stem core. So let's get it flipped over. Alright guys, we got it flipped over here. Now we're going to take, and right down in there in the valve stem is the valve stem core, and dropped you out there. Now we're going to take, this is a valve stem core remover. That's what it's designed to do. I'm going to reach right in there, give it a little twist, and it just unscrews. Once you get it unscrewed, you should be able to, well, I can't get a hold of it with my fingers. 1 second, we've got to unscrew it the rest of the way. Alright guys, we got the old valve stem core removed, and we're actually going to go ahead and replace this one because it's pretty corroded. And what happens is that little tiny O-ring right there on the core itself, they start to leak. Show you here, and there's a brand new one that we're going to install into the valve stem, but we're not going to install it just yet. We're going to get the bead sealed up and placed back on the rim. We're going to get this tire flipped back over. Alright guys, now that we got it flipped over, we're going to take, and like I said, we're going to take the rubber tire cement, and we're going to smear it. See if I can show you here. I'll set it down in the rim, and we're going to put it nice generous amount all the way around the bead right there of this rim. Alright, we're going to get this done. We'll be right back with you. Now guys, you can see we got it rubber cement placed all the way around this rim. Now we're going to take and apply it. We're going to flip it over and apply air pressure to get it popped back on the rim. And we're 1 second, be right back with you. Alright guys, now that we applied air pressure and got the bead to pop back on this side, as you can see there, and like I said, it's got the rubber cement, so it's not going to pop back off. Now we can reinstall. We'll lay the tire back down here, and we're going to reinstall the new valve stem core into the valve stem. We're going to take our valve stem tool remover, the core remover, and we're going to rethread the valve stem core into that valve stem. Then we're going to apply the proper amount of air pressure, and I believe on these tires, I believe it is 20 psi. No, I'm sorry, it's 10 psi. It's actually right there on that tire, right there. Some of them take 20. I've got some of them take 20. This takes 10. Apply some air to it. Check it with a gauge checker. Nothing yet. Almost out. A little more air, because this tire gauge tester does go out to 10. And there we go, just a hair over 10 psi. Now we're going to stand the tire up, check the other side here, see that it's good and seated. Now that we applied the rubber cement on the inside to keep this tire from popping back off when it loses air pressure, That's what it's doing. You know, it's an older tire. It's not dry rotted. As you can see here, look at the salvo and everything. And top, the treads, it's actually phenomenal shape. It just, it's what happens when they sit for a long period of time. The bead, it deforms because it's made out of rubber, so it loses its shape. And we're gonna sit back down here. And there you go, guys. Hopefully you found this video useful on how to reseat your tire onto the rim, the bead, when it pops off on your lawn tractor. Hopefully I found this video useful. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Smash that thumbs up button. Please share the video. It greatly helps out my channel. Y'all have a great day.